Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Albany, or 8 miles northwest of Brodhead, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Oregon, Evansville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, and Cooksville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, doubleheader. Gosh dang, dude.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Freeport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Freeport, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, Rock City, Ladot, Rock Grove, Red Oak, Damascus, Avoki, Scioto Mills, Winnebago, Dakota Dorning Airport, Alberta's Airport, Stevenson County Fairgrounds, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County
Is that
in
another one?
south-central Wisconsin,
No.
southeastern Dane County in south-central
Ping pong ball
Wisconsin,
size hail though.
northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin.